LibertyBuy365.com review, legit online store or scam. In this video, I am going to give you an honest breakdown of LibertyBuy365.com and help you figure out whether this online store is legitimate or something you should avoid. If you have seen ads for LibertyBuy365 on YouTube or social media selling things like electronics, gadgets, or accessories, and you are wondering whether it is safe to order, let's go through what multiple independent trust and safety checks, along with real customer experiences, actually show. Let's start with what the site claims about itself. LibertyBuy365 describes itself as a one-stop online shopping mall covering popular products across many categories, with claims of a professional e-commerce team, logistics network, and complete after-sales service. On the surface, the website looks functional and professionally built. Now let's look at the red flags. Multiple independent scam detection services have flagged this site with notably low trust scores, some rating it as low as 14 to 20 out of 100, with classifications ranging from caution to suspicious shop. The domain is also relatively young, only around 1 to 1.5 years old, which is a common trait among short-lived scam storefronts. The bigger concern comes from actual customer reviews. On consumer review platforms, multiple buyers report paying for items and never receiving them, tracking numbers that turn out to be bogus, and emails that go completely undeliverable when trying to reach customer support. Several customers who ordered items like eyeglasses reported receiving products that did not match what was advertised. For example, ordering adjustable or vision-correcting glasses and receiving simple, incorrect strength reading glasses instead. This pattern, being unable to reach the seller after payment, is one of the clearest warning signs of a problematic online store. There are also some neutral to mixed technical signals. The site does have a valid SSL certificate, and it is not currently flagged as hosting malware by most security scanners, so it is not necessarily a website that will infect your device. But a clean malware scan does not mean a store will deliver what you paid for, and in this case, multiple sources point to real order fulfillment problems. So is it legit or a scam? Based on the trust score patterns, and more importantly, the real customer experiences describing no shipment, wrong items, and unresponsive customer service, this store shows several clear warning signs consistent with a high-risk shopping site. That does not automatically mean every single order fails, but the risk of running into a problem here appears meaningfully higher than with an established, well-reviewed retailer. Now for some pro tips. Before ordering from any store you haven't used before, search the store name along with the word reviews or scam. And check independent platforms rather than just the testimonials shown on the store's own website. If you do choose to order from a site like this, always use a credit card or a payment method with strong chargeback protection. Never a direct bank transfer, and keep every piece of evidence. Your receipt, the product page, and any messages with the seller, in case you need to dispute the charge. And if a deal looks unusually cheap for the product being advertised, treat that as a signal to research further before checking out. That's my honest breakdown of LibertyBuy365.com. If this video helped you shop more safely, smash that like button and subscribe for more honest store reviews like this one. Let me know in the comments, have you ordered from this site and what was your experience?